Zanu PF begins process to replace expelled Geza. Hello viewers, welcome to Champions Network TV. Zanu PF Mashonaland West Province has initiated the process to replace expelled war veteran Mr. Blessed Geza in its structures. Mr. Geza was dismissed for undermining the authority of the president and is reportedly in hiding. He was a member of the party's Central Committee, the highest decision-making body between congresses. He was expelled alongside Gifford Gongwe, also from the same province, who faces similar charges. Speaking at a Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC meeting held on Saturday at Mbafa Primary School in Chegutu East, Zanu PF Mashonaland West Provincial Chairperson Comrade Mary Muliswa Chikoka confirmed that the party was moving swiftly to fill the vacant positions. The disciplinary action comes as the ruling party continues to tighten internal controls and reaffirm loyalty to President Mnangagwa's leadership. Thank you guys for choosing Champions Network TV. For those who are here for the first time, kindly do subscribe so that you don't miss our daily uploads.